Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Audit Trail in Salesforce. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking configuration changes and maintaining security oversight in your Salesforce org. Let's dive right in and get this set up for you. First things first, you'll need to access your Salesforce settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all administrative functions in Salesforce. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This will take you to the Setup homepage, where you can configure virtually every aspect of your Salesforce environment. The Setup area is where all the important administrative work happens, so it's good to familiarize yourself with navigating here. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a quick find box on the left side of your screen. This search feature is extremely handy for locating specific settings without having to dig through multiple menus. In this quick find box, type View Setup Audit Trail. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the available options to match your search. Once you see View Setup Audit Trail appear in the results, click on it. This will open up the Setup Audit Trail page, which is the central hub for viewing all configuration changes made to your Salesforce org. This page is crucial for maintaining security and understanding who made what changes and when. When the Setup Audit Trail page loads, you'll immediately see the 20 most recent changes listed right there. This display shows you who made each change, what was modified, and the exact date and time it occurred. Take a moment to review this list carefully. You'll be able to see details like usernames, actions performed, and sections that were modified. This real-time view is perfect for quick checks and recent activity monitoring. However, if you need a more comprehensive historical view, Salesforce has you covered. Look for the download link on the page. Clicking this link will allow you to download a CSV file containing up to 180 days of audit trail history. This extended history is invaluable for compliance reporting, security audits, or troubleshooting issues that might have originated weeks or months ago. The CSV format makes it easy to analyze the data in Excel or other spreadsheet applications. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed and set up the audit trail feature in Salesforce, giving you complete visibility into configuration changes across your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.